Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to change the lock screen clock widget, font and color in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and open your main settings page. And then scroll down and here you see the option wallpaper. Now click on wallpaper and then click on customize lock screen. And if you want to change the lock screen clock widget, font and color, then simply click on clock and here you can select a font size, and here you can select a color. You can select multiple colors from here. You can sliders and this is the way to change the lock screen clock widget, font and color in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.